Hello Philippines, hello world, hello America. This is KemmTupica, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hi Indonesia, another life, another love here in my channel. Hello people. So, everyone that subscribe to my channel, I just want to say hi to you everyone. I'm Kiki, she's Kiki, and I'm KemmTupica, guys. Welcome to my tiny pink room. I'm fasting right now, I'm so hungry. Hey Siri, what time is it?
It's 8:39 p.m.
Oh, it's 8:39 p.m. So, as of the moment, I'm doing a fasting, as well as I haven't eaten the whole day. So, I'm doing this one, guys, a Dots pretzel. So, I'm gonna eat this today as my first meal. So I get my lunch. It's my lunch. Oh, it smells so good. And that's my Dots. So why I wanted to do this, because Dots is my longest favorite, like pretzels. So this is like a short video, but you know, I'm really hungry. So this is the Pinot Grigio fig. So, and then I can't. Kiki, are you hungry, boo boo? So this is gonna be my first meal today. I've been fasting the whole day. So, I'm gonna open this. This is a Dots. So Dots is unexpectedly starved. Dots homestyle pretzels are the special family snacks created many years ago by Dot herself in her home kitchen. You know, from house-made pretzels. Now it comes in a bag, like towards her house. This is what it is inside. Look at that, baby. Oh, you're so cool. Pretzels, my first meal for the day from Dots. So we're gonna try it. Kiki, wanna smell it? Baby, wanna smell it? You don't want it? Okay. I'm really excited about like eating this because like I love pretzels, and it's gonna be my first meal. So cheers, guys, to fasting, and I thank you, God, for all the blessing they give us, and thank you for all the love and support. And I hope more blessing and more wishes and more dreams come true. And for us, guys, for success of this channel, and for you, I'm just gonna keep on pushing. These are the Dots. I'm gonna taste it right now. I haven't got any food in my mouth, so I'm gonna figure out what's the taste. Yeah, like 1 or 2 or 3. How I started at 1, like 1. That's right now. The taste of it is like a little saltiness, and then I think the pretzels like, oh, it's just so soft too. It's just so soft. It's true. Like, it's my first meal, so. You want it? You can get it like in your grocery or something, like Meijer or Walmart or Target. God. Want money, Kiki? Last night I haven't eaten anything, and it's like, isn't that pretzel taste? You can smell it, it's so good. So I have some ranch with me. I was thinking of like having some ranch with it. Is there ranch? Pretty good too. This is the Pinot Grigio, guys. Like, it's like the aged cheddar white wine. Oh, it has some white wine in it. I'm just gonna try to dip it on this like espresso. This veg is so good. Like, you have the Dots, like home style. It's really good. Like, you get pretzel, you can eat it like this. You could eat it. There's like a little saltiness, like, oh, there's like a salt or something in the middle. I don't think so. You have like a lot of creative ideas in your head. And then I'm eating these tenders right now. It's so good. I need a drink. Oh, introducing the liquid inside my body, I feel like there's like water flowing inside my body. Like, yeah, let's put something in there, like fluid. Yep. Oh, I can't help it, but it's so good. Okay, guys, Kiki, wanna eat some? I know. This is not good for her. You can't have the big one, baby. Just a small one, okay? This is. You're gonna eat your dogs from the tenders. Hey guys, if you haven't liked or commented on this channel, please do. My name is KemmTupica. See ya.